Okay, OPM 2000. How are you doing today? This is the beginning of week 11. I hope that everybody remembered to change your clocks. Um, Otherwise, you might be showing up late for things for a while. I've seen people do that. But now that everything is through, web-based applications and internet-connected phones, everything except my vehicle changes automatically for me. So that's kind of convenient. Well, there's my stove and my microwave, but I guess the things that matter change automatically, which is nice. I remember back in the day, everything had to be changed manually, and many people missed it. It was kind of interesting to see people in the springtime showing up early for stuff and in the fall showing up late. So, anywho, and why and etc. Welcome to week 11. There's not a lot really to preface this week with. We are continuing going into process improvement. Okay, so we're staying on the same course that we've been on. I have included my slides in the announcement that this is a part of. I've also included an additional video on the basics of game theories, the prisoner dilemma. And you might wonder how this all ties into process improvement, but really it does. And you're going to see that as you go through the material and as you read through my lecture notes. Game theory helps us to understand how to effectively participate in decision making, which is essential in determining what kind of data we need to collect during process improvement. Because if we don't know what the problem is, then what data are we going to get? Are we just going to arbitrarily start collecting data? No, that's not wise. But when we know what the question is, we can seek out the right answer. So, like I said, not much of a preface this week, but I have noticed two students have already submitted their extra credit papers. I will be getting those graded later this week. Seeing as I was extra credit, it's not the top priority, but I am very interested in reading your papers. So I will be getting them started this week. As far as the rest of the grading, I'll stay on time and target with that. I will be getting the midterm grades uploaded into Genzabar, I believe this afternoon. I think I'll have it done. Anyway, I thank you very much, and you have an awesome week 11.